Today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye with acrylic paints. The items you will need are a white shirt, acrylic paints, any brand works but folk art worked the best for me. You will also need rubbing alcohol, 3 containers, squirt bottles, a fork, a paintbrush, rubber bands, paper towels, scissors, a trash bag, a container of water, and a woven fabric that can be used as a strainer. First you need to put the cloth over the container and you're going to secure it with a rubber band. Second, you're going to pour the rubbing alcohol into the container and it should fill up about a centimeter at the bottom of the container. Then you're going to pick the color of paint that you want and you're going to put it into the container. But what you need to know is you should have about 2/3 alcohol and 1/3 paint. Third, you're going to mix up the paint. Then you can either let it sit out and let the pigment kind of like soak up the alcohol, and that will make the t-shirt like a brighter color once it dries. Or you can just go ahead and strain it, which the pigment will still be there on the shirt, but it won't be as bright of a color. Fourth, you're going to strain the pigment and just pour it like slowly over the cloth and just use the paintbrush to kind of like get it through the cloth so it doesn't take such a long time. And all of the excess paint that is stuck on the strainer you can just throw away. Fifth, you're going to pour the solution into the squirt bottle and then you have your first color. If you want to make a spiral for your tie-dye shirt, you can use a fork and you can just twist it around and it will make a spiral. Then you can just put rubber bands on it and you can put the tie-dye on however you want. Once your shirt has dried for at least 12 hours, you should put it in a pillowcase and put it in the dryer on no heat, fluff. Then after that, you can put it in the washing machine to make sure there's no paint that comes off of it or dye. And then you can dry it again and then it should be fine to wash with other clothes and you can wear it. These are some other shirts that I've tie-dyed. I made 3 spirals on this shirt. My Thursday shirt glows in the dark, and I just kind of randomly put the tie-dye on this one. I didn't really have a spiral or anything. This shirt is my favorite shirt that I've made out of tie-dye. I sewed on a stitch, and I also sewed on Ohana Means Family on the back. And for the tie-dye, I just kind of randomly put the tie-dye on. I didn't really have a technique for this shirt.